Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. In today's video, we're getting ready to decorate for Christmas, and I was planning on doing this today. I wasn't planning on filming the video, and then I was like, you know what? I feel like this is a good video idea. It definitely is going to get the anticipation going for the real decorate with me. I'm going to go through all of my decor and decorations, get everything out, lay everything out, put it in sections of like how I'm going to use everything, figure that out in this video so that way when I'm actually decorating, I'm not all over the place and I know what I want to do. I want to get all of the fall decor down and put away, and I need to find like all of the holiday decor because I said in my last video, I know I have a lot of it, but I don't know where all of it is. I know I have like a few different styles and colors. So I want to know like how much pink stuff I have because that stuff can go in my office. I want to know how much red stuff I have to go around the house. And then I want to make sure like I have everything that I need. So in the decorate with me, it is filmed in one day and not like a week if I have to run out and get something kind of thing. I can do that now. I feel like I'm really rambling, but basically we're gonna have a really good idea and rundown of how the house is going to look this year in this video. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. Thank you as always for watching and spending the time with me. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and let's get started. And the first thing I'm doing is grabbing everything from the haul in my last video and bringing this downstairs. What I really should be doing is using this area to work out, considering that's what it's for. But since I haven't been, I'm going to gather all of my Christmas decorations, put all of it over here, go through the storage that you guys know is a total mess, find as much as I can. And then once I have everything out, I'm going to section it off, split it up room by room to have a better layout of what I'm doing and where I'm doing it. Here is the massive mess I'm dealing with, so I need to get in here somehow. I'm pretty sure all the holiday decorations are in the back. It's time to go through the archives, see what we have to work with this year, and it's so funny how much your style can change in just 1 year. Sometimes I find things and I'm like, what was I thinking? So I'm going to lay out all of the older decorations, and there's Chad. I don't think he thinks I put those clips in my videos, but how could I resist? The first thing I'm doing is grouping everything by color, and then I will know if I have enough of an item for a different project. For example, I would need way more of an ornament on the Christmas tree than I would for a centerpiece, so that is why I'm starting this way. One of the biggest tips I can give you that I've learned to really elevate your holiday decor is a lot of items in the same color but in different finishes and sizes. So for example, I have a lot of silver ornaments I'm going to use this year. There's flat silver, shiny silver, sparkly. There are going to be a few different sizes that you see by the end of the video, and I always see that on Pinterest. Whenever you see like really fancy decor, they almost always follow that idea. And for my larger decor items, like all of these smaller Christmas trees, I try to buy those in a neutral shade. So all of these are white or off-white. That way, regardless of the color family I'm working with that year, they always are going to fit in with the style. I also like to group my decor like this because I start decorating with whatever I have the most of, and then I work my way from there to what I have the least of. That way I don't have to move things around a whole lot on the Christmas tree, especially because I always love a flocked style Christmas tree with the white on it, the fake snow. And as many of you know, when you move things around on that style tree, some of the flocking falls off, which is no good, so I try to keep that to a minimum. If you like to switch up your decor style every year like I do, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, first get a really good base of neutrals, so a lot of whites, a lot of creams, and then every year you can pick an accent color, red, pink, blue, whatever you like, and get a few items in that color, and you can still use all the other items that you had previously. So it's a great way to save money but also do something new. Finally, everything is unboxed and everything's organized, so I know how many I have of everything, all the colors and different kinds of items. That way I'll know what I need, if anything. So this is what it's looking like. I have sticky notes. I'm going to start sectioning it off room by room.
Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Right now let's savor this, and underneath the mistletoe get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so all of you. Does this come true?
And by the way, if you're new here, I do wrap fake presents, which probably seems so weird, a few of them. I just think they look so cute as decor, and we don't have presents under our tree as soon as we set them up, so I do fake ones. That way I can enjoy them for so much longer, and I wrap them all a little bit different and just make them really cute and feel very like holiday home decor-ish. So everything right here is all of, I don't know what you call this stuff, but it's all of the like stick things. And the sticky note here says it's for the tree and for the kitchen arrangement. I always do a seasonal arrangement in the kitchen, so some of those things I will use in there. Everything right here is for the living room. I don't have a fireplace. I have a foam mantle, I call it, like right under the TV. So everything here is the start of that. I'll get to what the rest will be in a second. Everything right here is for the kitchen, so I will have that stuff, a little bit of this, and who knows, something else maybe. Everything right here is all of the pink stuff and like really feminine stuff. So all of that is going in my office space. And then over here, I have everything for the tree in this area and the blue. I should have switched those two, but that's okay. Everything in the center one here is going to go on the dining table. So I have a lot of ornaments, I feel like, for the tree. I feel like this is a lot. I don't know. But yeah, everything here for the tree, and then dining table. I found a tree skirt I didn't know I had. That one is faux fur, so that's perfect. I don't want to buy another one of those. And then I did find a lot of these, which I'm really glad I had extras from previous years because I forgot to buy those this year. Guys, you already know where we are, Home Goods. I asked Chad where one last box of holiday decor was, and it was like, not figurines, but these ice skates and a Christmas tree, like a smaller one, a few things like that. And he told me a few months ago one of those boxes, like storage boxes, fell and a bunch of stuff shattered. So that just means we need to do a little more shopping. But I also need throw pillows, I need a throw blanket, I need some nutcrackers for under the TV area. I've never decorated with any nutcrackers before, so I want to get some of those for this year. And then if I find anything random, it will end up in my cart, I'm sure. But I wanted to ask you if any of you have embroidered stockings. Please let me know where you got them. If they're super expensive, don't tell me, but if they're like relatively fairly priced, I guess, let me know, because I haven't ever had an embroidered stocking, and especially seeing like Forrest's name on a stocking, painfully cute. So yeah, let's go inside.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train.
rushing home. I have everything, but Forrest is going to wake up soon and he wants to be able to feed him. So I'll see you guys at home.
Oh, yeah, we did so good. Good baby.
Good job, Dad. Kissing my baby. Hi, Papa.
See, I'm pretty hungry.
You hungry? Okay, let's eat. Fed my baby, brought everything downstairs. I'm going to show it to you. I feel like I'm hauling when I shouldn't be hauling in the first place because I have so much stuff. The only thing I didn't find are throw pillows. They didn't have the ones that I left there the other day, which is a bummer. They did have a few that were red and blue, or like they had red and blue on them, which is what I was looking for because I know that's hard to find in the first place. But they just weren't the style that I wanted. I almost bought them and I was like, I don't love them, so I'm not going to spend the money. There was a truck on one and we all know that's not really my style. So yeah, I didn't get throw pillows, but we have a lot of other stuff. The first thing is a nutcracker. This one's the largest one I got, and these were a pretty good deal. I think this was $24.99. It is fairly neutral, and all of the ones that I got are neutral. The ones that were colorful, oh, that almost fell over, and that definitely would have broke, okay? Oh, and the sparkles are coming off easily. Okay, on to the next. But how cute is this soap dispenser? I was going to put this in the bathroom, but I might put this in the kitchen instead. It's a Santa hat, sparkly red and white. And these are candles. These are going to go on the island in the kitchen, and I'm going to put these in between those smaller flocked ones down there from the Target dollar spot. So these are just really, really cool. I think they look very expensive. I don't know. I think it was Rachel Parcell. If you follow her on Instagram, she's like a style blogger. She had a very expensive candle that definitely was not from Home Goods that looked super similar on her island in her kitchen. So I thought those would be really nice. And these are the other nutcrackers I got. So that one looks like this. And this one is wearing a fancy outfit. I think I'll do the large one on one side and then the smaller ones on the other side. And fake snow. I don't have fake snow. Actually, I had fake snow from last year, but it smelled weird from being in storage, so I'm not going to use that. So much of this stuff is coming off it. This is like super fragile, but it is just a sparkly tree. This was $13. All of this sparkly stuff is like really fragile. This one lights up. It doesn't have any batteries in it. I have to get them. This was $20, and it's that tealy, really light blue, almost like a Tiffany blue, that is going to be an accent, like a light accent on a Christmas tree. And I love how it isn't like super saturated. It is fairly faded, I guess I could call it. So I think it's going to tie in really well with the Christmas tree in like a subtle way. And I know this is going to be the most extra thing I say in this whole video, but I honestly bought this so I can take a picture of Forrest with it, because there's so many photos of a baby with a stuffed animal, and it's like a size comparison thing, and it looks really, really cute. So I bought that for a picture, honestly, but I'll take a lot of pictures with it, okay? Throw blanket. I wish so bad they had pillows that would work with our style, but they didn't. This was $19.99. It's a faux fur throw pillow. They had so many, or throw blanket. They had so many faux fur throws, and almost all of them were $50. I was not about to spend $50. So I found the nicest one I could for the best deal, and I think it's going to look really pretty with the silver on the Christmas tree, and it's going to be really comfy and cozy. Where should I put this so it doesn't get filled with sparkles? That's what a treadmill is for. And the last thing are these Merry Christmas bathroom towels. I think we might be hosting a little bit here and there throughout the holidays for different things. So that's why I bought this. It was $10 for two. They both say Merry Christmas on them, or I might even put one in the kitchen, who knows, but I couldn't resist those. This goes here, this goes here, these go here, this goes wherever, up here, these go here, these go here, and this goes here. And that's everything for getting ready to decorate for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel like I'm really dragging out like the decorating this year on my channel, which was not intentional, but my Christmas tree is not here yet and I had to do all of this anyways. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the like button if you did. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I would love to have you, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!